All right. It's been a really long time since I recorded. My room has been in different states throughout 2024. And right now, I don't even have my table because my husband is redoing it and turning it green, updating the legs, adding casters so it can roll. What happened to Vlogmas? I was 10 days short. A lot of things. Number one, my remote job got in the way. I had a dozen meetings in 2 weeks and didn't have any more time to devote to creating things. Plus my table was no longer available, so I couldn't even try to sit down and do stuff. So yeah, that's part of Vlogmas. I don't ever really anticipate to do it the way I planned, and it's just kind of whatever comes. Plus it's my first year doing it not around a campus of school of people. So it's a lot harder to come up and create things and do things besides just my family, if that makes any sense. So anyways, oh yeah. Some other things that happened was I attended half a dozen craft fairs, book signing events, things like that. It was so much fun. I met so many cool parents, teachers, business owners of bookstores, other publishers, authors, and illustrators. And it was a lot of fun. So I look forward to doing that again this year at different places. I also want to reach out to some libraries and some bookstores and try to host author reads and signings and things like that. And I have not 5, but 6 books that I'm planning. So that's one every other month if you are good at math. I'm excited. Poteet here in Texas has a strawberry festival in April, and I am trying my hardest to come up with a book for strawberries, and I'm just stuck. So hopefully I will get that before April. It's actually got to be soon so I can print, publish, all of that. So it'll hopefully be February. And then I have a bunch of other ideas. Plus, I have lots of video footage from the past 4 years that I haven't used, different projects, different screen printing. So I'll still have those sprinkled in the coming year. And my main goal is just going to be inspiring others. So I'm going to continue creating things. I'm going to continue making things. I am going to fire up my email again, and I've been doing a lot of research on creativity and how to foster that and the benefits of it. And so I'm going to start including that in my emails, tips, tricks, ideas, some freebies for you guys to try. Whether you're a parent, you're not a parent, you're an aunt, you're an uncle, you are just you and you want to be more creative and explore different outlets, because it really does put you in a different state, and I think it's good. I think you gotta try it. So let me look and see how many videos I did this year. Let's see. I published 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 videos in 2024. I'm going to give myself a pat on the back for that one because that's pretty good. I think that brings my total up to over 100, and I currently have 1,647 subscribers. So thanks for that. And I'll be around. I hope you guys have a wonderful new year. And thank you so much for liking, subscribing, sharing. If you feel like you know somebody that would like some inspiring creative content, feel free to share and have them subscribe and like as well, or sign up down below to get my inspirational emails. And I'll have some sprinkles of book promotions and stuff like that, because I did a lot of books this year and I'm super excited about that. And I can't wait for 2025 when I do my last 6 books, because that will put me at 15 total. So, all right, I'll see you guys next year. Until then, stay creative and go make something. I'm also trying this out. I'm using natural light, using a reflector. As long as I don't look at the reflector, I'm good. YouTube. Sorry, I should have done this beforehand. I may just have to do this later because it's taking forever to find